Hi friends, this video shows how to backup data to this USB flash drive and restore. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel, please like and share the video. So in this video I am going to backup data from this mobile phone to this USB flash drive. Then I will hard reset this mobile phone. Later I will restore data from this USB flash drive to this mobile phone. Okay, let me start. First I am going to connect this USB flash drive to this mobile phone. So let me connect. Okay, done. We can see mobile phone has detected this USB flash drive. So let me go to my files, tap on this my files app icon, then tap on OTG. Here you can see the size of the USB flash drive, 62 GB, 2.78 GB used. Tap on OTG. So now we are seeing folders inside this USB flash drive. So let me close this, then go to settings, tap on the settings app icon, go down, go to additional settings, go down, go to backup and reset, go to backup and migrate, tap on local backup. So now I am going to take a new backup, tap on this new backup button. So from here we need to select the items which we need to backup. So I am going to backup contacts, preference settings and apps. You can see 34 apps, 2.4 GB. Let me tap on start. Now it's asking where we need to store this backup. So I am going to store this backup in this USB flash drive. So here you can see the option backup to external storage. Tap on backup to external storage. See now backup in progress. So here you can see the progress. You can see 2 out of 34 apps copied. So please wait. Now it's copying data to this USB flash drive. Okay, so you can see backup completed. Tap on done. So now here you can see the restore option. We can tap here. From here you can start the restore. But I am going to remove this USB flash drive, then hard reset this mobile phone. Then later I will restore data from this USB flash drive to mobile phone. So let me close this screen. Then go to my files, tap on this my files app icon, tap on OTG. So now we are seeing folders inside this USB flash drive. Here you can see one new folder, backup. Tap on backup, then tap on app. So here we can see the backup of that 34 apps. Go back, then go to data. Here we can see the backup of settings and contacts. Okay, so I am going to remove this USB flash drive. So first we need to eject. Go to settings, go to about device, storage, go down, tap on this USB flash drive, tap on eject. Done. So now I can remove this USB flash drive from this mobile phone. Done. So after that we can hard reset this mobile phone. After hard reset we can start the restore process. So let me start a restore. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon, go down, set additional settings, go down, go to backup and reset, go to backup and migrate, tap on local backup. See, it's not showing any option to restore. So I need to connect this USB flash drive. Let me connect this USB flash drive to this mobile phone. Done. See, now it's loading. So please wait. See, now we can see the restore option. Tap here. From here we can select the items which we need to restore. We can select contacts, preference settings, apps. Let me select all these 3 items, then tap on start. See, now it's restoring. So here you can see the progress. See, done. So this way we can backup and backup data to USB flash drive, then restore from there. You can see restoration completed. Tap on done. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel, please like and share the video.